In these two beds, I planted a soft neck variety of garlic back on October 30th, and it's been growing all winter long. And then some of the garlic cloves didn't sprout, which I'm not sure why. So when I was planting my onions, I interspersed a few onion plants just so that I didn't waste the space, and because I had so many onions to work with. And then and the reason you don't see garlic in here right now is because I already harvested it. I came out here on May 1st, and today's May 4th, but I came out May 1st and started pulling garlic out because it looked like it was ready to harvest, and then I realized, oh wait, I should be recording this. So anyways, I saved some so that I could go ahead and harvest it and show you what I'm doing. So you can see here how this garlic, it's not looking good. Some of it's actually falling over. It's looking a little yellow. The bottom leaves, like the bottom 3 leaves, have died away. That's a good sign that your garlic is pretty much ready to harvest, and you don't want to leave it in there any longer, because what will happen is the cloves will start to separate, and each clove is going to try to produce another garlic plant. And if you want your garlic to be cured and last in your home all throughout the season that you can't grow garlic, then you need it to be tight cloves of garlic around the head, and you want a tight paper skin all the way around it. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and pull up some of this garlic and show you what this looks like. My soil is pretty loose, so I'm not too worried about pulling on the stem here and breaking it off. If your soil is tighter around the garlic, you may want to take a shovel or a trowel or a fork or something and unearth it first. So you can see that's a pretty decent size head, but when the neck of the garlic is bigger, you'll see that the garlic head is going to be bigger. You're going to get a larger harvest of garlic. There you go. See how large that one is? And you can see that the cloves have not started separating yet. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pull the rest of this out of here and show you what I've got. And I'm going to leave this out here for a couple hours so the moisture can dry up and the skin can start drying up just enough to bring it into the house. And then I'll show you where I've decided to store it this year for about 2 weeks while it cures. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us as we learn to live a more natural lifestyle. I hope you have a blessed day.